Hey Ronnie,
What's up, Christy?
what do you think is the best way to build your child's credit?
Building your child's credit. That's a question I get a lot. And, most of the time we want to buy them inexpensive cars thinking they're going to last them a while. And there's nothing wrong with that. My child has an inexpensive car. But one little hack that I'm going to do when my son turns 19 is we're going to lease a car and add him with his credit to the actual lease. And this, over the next 3 years, will help him build really good credit because it'll be continuous payments on a high-end amount of credit for an extended period of time over 2 years. And so that should give him a good jump start for building his credit with limited risk to me, meaning the car's under warranty the whole time, and the only thing we're on the hook for is the total of the payments from 36 months. So it's not going to be dramatic like getting a car that's got 100,000 miles on it and financing it for a long period of time. That will be a credit hack to help build your child's credit.